Today's project has a little secret and we are excited to share it with you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Remodelaholic. I'm Cassidy and we have weekly DIY tutorials that we love to share with you. We hope you will subscribe and follow along so we can show you all the great ideas that we have. Today's tutorial is a space smart wall mounted coat rack with some storage. It's really cool. Our contributor Amy of Hertoolbelt built this beautiful little rack for hanging your coats, but has a little sliding piece so you can hide your sunglasses and keys behind it because every entryway needs just a little bit more storage. To build this hidden storage coat rack, grab the building plans on remodelaholic.com. I'll have a link in the description box below. You'll need 2 1x3 boards and 1 1x2 board, 2 drawer slides, and 3 coat hooks. Begin by cutting your boards according to the free cut list and diagram. Sand all of the boards. Drill pocket holes in 2 of the 18-inch 1x3 boards and use those holes to screw the 3 boards together. Drill pocket holes in 1 9-inch 1x3 piece to attach the front trim later. In the 2 remaining 18-inch boards, drill pocket holes at each end. Attach those boards to the 9-inch board to form 3 sides of a box. Attach the 18-inch 1x2 piece next to one of the 1x3 pieces. You'll use this later to attach the coat rack to the wall. Then attach the other 9-inch 1x3 piece to the other end, so now you have a completed box. Notch the shorter remaining 1x3 pieces at the top corner to fit them into the frame. Secure them at the proper distance to attach the drawer slides. Next, stain and paint the boards. Once the finish has dried, attach the large side of the drawer slides to the back of the coat rack face. Attach the small side of the drawer slides to the divider boards, centering the face frame. Use the previously drilled pocket holes to attach the left face trim piece. Close the door completely, then attach the 3 trim pieces to the door. Measure and mark the locations of the coat hooks and screw the coat hooks to the face boards. To mount the coat rack, locate 2 studs in the wall, place the coat rack over the 2 stud locations at the desired height, check it for level, then attach it to the wall studs using long screws. If you'd like, add interior key hooks or shelves and hang up your coat and you're done. Isn't this idea so great? Give Amy 2 thumbs up for coming up with it and building such a cute and useful tutorial. I don't know about you, but I could always use a place to put my sunglasses and keys away that I could actually find them in. If you have a small space, this is a perfect way to add a bit more storage that doesn't have to be on display for everyone to see, so it can look nice and clean and store those things in the same place. Please be sure to check out these other videos. See you later, guys.